Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can fully take apart your Karcher window vac to clean and also put it back together again. It might be useful if yours isn't performing properly, could be some sort of blockage, or it might have a funny smell to it and you want to give it a good clean. You might have taken it apart and you might not be 100% sure how it goes back together. So in this video I'm going to show you. Right, first things first, we are going to undo this head here by pressing in on this grey thing and pulling out. There we go, that's come out there. And we're going to press in this button here and take this top bit out, like so. We're going to take this part out and we're going to take this part out here. We're going to take this off here. And also we're going to take the blade out here. There. Right now, we are going to bring this over to the sink and we're going to give all that a nice clean. Do not put this near water because this is where the electronics are, so you could damage it. But what you can do is you can make sure that it's nice and clear in here, because you might find that there could be some fluff build-up just in here. There you go, so you can see in there. So make sure that there's no fluff build-up in there. Also make sure that this is clear here as well, so you can get like a dry toothbrush and clean that out in there. Apart from that, just give this a little wipe over with a dry cloth. So it's all in here. I've got my toothbrush and I'm going to give everything a good clean. Right, everything has been washed and dried as well. So with this part here, we want to put that in there, locate that in there, and you can see that there's two bits sticking up and we have two holes on the rubber. So just place that over there and we want this to go around here. Make sure it's fully seated down. There we go, and now you're not going to lose that when you undo that. With this, we're going to be placing this in here. You can see one side's thin, one side's slightly thick. This thicker side is going to be going in here. You can get the guides out your way if you want. And now you can clearly see which way it goes in, yeah. So put that in there and slide that along. It's easier if it's still slightly wet. There we go, that's nice and clean in there now. With this part here, it has a rubber O-ring at the top and also a rubber little connector at the bottom here. When you were cleaning with your toothbrush, make sure that you don't lose them. And we're going to place it in here. You can actually see that it only really looks correct one way. So if we place it in that way, it doesn't look like it's sitting flat. So what you want to do is have a look at the way these are shaped here, and you can see that they're up at an angle, and have a look at the bottle. The bottle's up at an angle. So just put them the same angle. You can see the bottle's going up and these are going up. And just push them down like that, and the rubber seal will make the connection there, and this rubber O-ring is going to make the connection just on here, this bit here. So we're going to place this in here like so and click it in. We're going to be placing this on here like so and clicking it in, and we're going to be placing this with the Karcher up top here and pushing it in, and that is it. It is now nice and clean, and you should find that it's working fine. And hopefully if there was any funny smells or anything, they're going to be gone, and if there was any blockages, they should now be clear because you took this out here and got rid of all the fluff. So there we have it. Thanks for watching.